Hello everyone. As we all aware, the database security is very important nowadays, and we should understand how to implement the database security in the Oracle databases. So, in this aspect, today I will make you understand about database redaction and database masking. What is database redaction? Database redaction is a product in the Oracle database that redact the data present in the database to the different users who are accessing the same data in the database. Say for example, where to implement redaction. Redaction need to be implemented on the very important data like your salary, card details, your address, phone number, etc. Now, these are very sensitive data. These are present in the database, but at the same time, they shouldn't be viewed to every users. So how we can protect the database that authorized people will access this data, but the non-authorized users will not able to access the data. For this, we have to implement redaction. I am taking one example. Say suppose card details. Card details present in the database. Okay, it should be viewed only to authorized user. I am taking one user U1 and U2. Now, if a user U1, he has the access and he is an authorized user, so he should see the exact data present in the database. But U2, as he is also a user of this database, but he is not the authorized user to see the exact card details present in the table. So how we can protect this? So in this respect, redaction will help you to redact the data present in the database in different way to the different users. If you implement the redaction in a database, say suppose here the card details is present like this 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 and say suppose this is a card detail present in the database. Now U1 will see the exact data present in the database, but U2 he is not able, he is not authorized user, and he shouldn't see the full data present in the table. So redaction will redact this present data to a different value as per the requirement of the customer. See, U2 will change this value to like this. Okay, as per your requirement you can change the data, and that it should populate when the non-authorized user will access the same data. And now let us check about the masking. Now what is masking? Masking means you are having a production environment where you keep all your data, and at the same time you require some testing on this data whenever you implement some new project. But at the same time you have to keep in mind that this sensitive data shouldn't be compromised anyways to any other department or any other person outside the users who are accessing the production data. So in this respect, masking will help you to change the data present in the database. Masking always work in such a way when you transfer the data from the production environment to the non-production environment, non-prod environment. That time, say suppose you are having here card detail. Again, I am taking the example of card detail. Card detail, there is a card detail present in this database, and whenever you will transfer this data from production to the non-production environment, this card detail will come here with some different algorithm that you will implement to this masking, and that will transfer to the non-production environment. So we always have to think that data is very sensitive, and it shouldn't be compromised in any way. So for this we have to implement database redaction and database masking in this database, and database masking will convert the data present in the production environment, and whenever it will transfer to the non-production environment or any other requirement, whenever you have to transfer the data, masking will help to change the data present in the database to the target database where you are transferring the database. Now these two products, that is redaction and masking, this require license. For database redaction and database masking, both are licensed product and both require different licenses. For redaction, you require advanced security license. Advanced security and for masking you require database masking and subsetting. So these are very two important points that we should implement in the production environment to make our data safe, and we should always think that data is a very valuable thing and it shouldn't be compromised in any way. I think I'm able to make you understand what is the difference between redaction and masking. Thank you.